maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. And most of all, sa leaders ng Global Alliance. Saan yung mga leaders? Lumapit kayo dito para may certificate kayo mamaya. Ang wala dito, walang certificate Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Alam ko grabe yung puyat ninyo. Hindi na pagod, pati bulsa nyo. Pati bulsa nyo, butas. Maraming salamat sa leaders ng Global Alliance at maraming salamat sa mga members natin na palaging nagpapainit, nagpapaaraw just to make this event happen. My heart is full. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay ang tuwa dahil you really made me proud. I'm so proud of you leaders and to your members. Maraming salamat talaga. To all our guests, to all our judges, maraming salamat po. To TVB pala, special mention, maraming salamat for always covering our event. Maraming salamat TVB, to Miss Viola, thank you so much. At sa ating mga sponsors, maraming salamat. Salamat po muna yung sponsors natin Smart Tone. We have Smart Tone, LBC, AMA, we have Palawan Pawn Shop, PNB Global, True Credit, Focus, and Serene Care. Pag kayo ay mag-finish ng kontrata or naghahanap ng amo, punta kayo doon sa booth ng Serene. Bibigyan ko kayo ng amo, ako magbibigay. Okay? Punta kayo doon sa booth ng Serene Care. Booth ko yun. Pumunta kayo doon. Nag-promote na, Serene Care. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, leaders. Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, thank you.
Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you, Sir
Sir
Manlio. Before we proceed, public announcement muna tayo. Meron tayong kababayan na nawawalan ng wallet.
Wala, lagot.
Kung meron pong nakakita sa inyo na kulay brown na wallet, paki-turn over lang po dito sa amin at
Baka
kami po
nahulog
bahala.
niya.
Okay, again,
No?
kung sino pong makakuha ng wallet na kulay brown, importante lang po at may mga IDs po na nakalagay doon. Passport also.
Wow.
Okay?
Yung importante.
Again, thank you.
Ayan, okay. So, ayan, we would like to call our leaders
Yung
ng
importante
GA to come
dapat
over
Ay, di na yung
on the stage to receive the certificate. May we call on our leaders?
Diba?
Oo.
Hello, leaders!
Ay, mga leaders daw. Asa na
Hello.
kayo? Asa na kayo?
Calling all Global Alliance leaders, pumunta
Lagot.
kayo sa stage. Naririnig niyo ba?
Parang wala.
Global Alliance leaders, please come over. I am calling our advisors, Miss Catherine Guzman and Miss Estela Cada. Please assist me to award the certificate of appreciation to our
Lapit ka,
leaders.
ikaw.
Mamaya na kayo kumain,
Sige,
please.
sige.
Maraming salamat.
Nandiyan natin dito.
Tawagin pa kayo.
Tawagin.
Tawagin pa kayo. Isa-isa.
Tawagin. Alo.
We have here Julian Rivera. Okay, Global Alliance.
Certificate of recognition. This certificate is greatly awarded to Julian Rivera Jr., President, Global Alliance Hong Kong, for your unwavering support, dependable leadership, and steadfast commitment to the mission and vision of Global Alliance Hong Kong. Your guidance has been instrumental in fostering unity, achieving organizational goals, and inspiring inspiring others to serve with excellence. Awarded the 7th day of May 2026 at Cheque Road, Central Hong Kong. Signed, Leo Silomenyo, Chairman, and Marino Sumalino, Welfare Officer, OWA, Hong Kong.
Next, we have Miss Virginia Buen, Baknotan La Union Hong Kong Association.
Notan.
Miss Marjorie A. De Jesus, Timbuyok T. Barbarians Society, Hong Kong. Elaine Espinosa, Mindanao Federation, Hong Kong. Maribel M. Redolfin, Filipino Workers and Livelihood Association. Beatrice M. Duque, Alianza ng Samahang Cordilleras, Tagalog at Ilocano. Jollify Bakrin, United Migrant Entrepreneurship and Livelihood Association. Berlisa Ramirez, Alianza ng Samahang Cordilleras, Tagalog at Ilocano. Carmelita Luares, Mindanao Federation, Hong Kong. Annalisa A. Blas, Ifugao Community. Girlie Chen Segundo, Mount Province Abra Benguet, Ifugao Kalinga Apayao Society.
Leaders, please come here near the stage. Pwede ba pumunta kayo dito sa stage?
Alright, next we have Miss Norma P. Capistrano, Guardians Magic Group Insights Worldwide.
Capistra.
Lindy P. Paclibar, Panay Overseas Workers Association. Lynn Agustin, Apayao Organization. Cecil Corpus, Bagak Global Organization. Daisy Ariola, Catwalk PH. Jocelyn Tigti Guzman, Guardians Philippine International Incorporated Anti-Crime Organization. Melody P. Sotero, Luz Biminda, OFW in Hong Kong. Jose Edmundo C. Almeda, One Hong Kong Kamandakilit Eagles Club. Malita Rosales, Philippine Guardian Brotherhood Incorporated. Jane M. Lalik, Supreme Student Council, AMA, Hong Kong. Jonathan Honoral, Sandigan, Hong Kong. Anogale Agate, Sulit Bagong Bayani Movement.
Ano mga sasaya?
Romel A. Hiner, Sulit Grand Hong Kong Eagles Club. Marian Ilma A. M. Narigaba, South Cotabato Migrant Association. Jackie Lou Vilayo, Street Movers, Hong Kong.
Masyadong malapit.
We have Phil Abelo, Trisquillion International Hong Kong Council. Michelle Altamon, Sultan Kudarat Migrant Group. Marie Ann Pilarde, Sulit Rani Locancia, Makatag Green Eagles Club. Josie Marina C. Aguilado, the United City of San Fernando Organization. Floyd Pasqua, Sulit Aces Grand Eagles Club. Helen G. Marcos, Student Supreme Supreme Student Council Ama Hong Kong, the founder. Evangeline B. Alitek, Ubanians, Hong Kong.
Wala na kasi yung sa ano, yung sinasabi mo, wala na.
Irene D. Agudo, Pasig City Iloilo Association, Hong Kong.
Evangeline Alteg. Irene Agudo. Pasig City Association Hong Kong.
We have here Helen Kiulamin, Juan Tipawan, Hong Kong. Miss Jeneline Albania, Maharlika 24 Builders of Guardians, Hong Kong. Jen M. Lalik, Supreme Student Council, Ama, Hong Kong. Dorina Alberio, Guardians International, Cementive Confederation, Hong Kong. Rosemary Pineda, Kalingap Sulit supporters worldwide. Maureen Nawangin, Bukias Overseas Workers Association. Maureen. Teresa B. Alvarete, Alyansa ng Samahang Cordilleras, Tagalog at Ilocano. Emilia Tolentino, Alay sa Kapwa. Patricia Tiragma, Santol Association and Social Services.